Is it a little too dramatic? Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. That was super easy. Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Hey. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be trying out these magnetic lashes. You heard me correct. So this is the Arishine magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes kit. Gorgeous and flawless, reusable, easy to apply, waterproof. Let me tell you guys something. When it comes to lashes, I'm not good at applying lashes, especially with the glue. I am not good at it. I tried, but I am not the best at applying my lashes with glue. So this, you don't need glue. That's what they say. So we're gonna try this out today. I got this because it is supposed to be easier than using glue with your lashes. So we're gonna see how this works out. So it says it comes with 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliners. So I guess the eyeliner is the magnet. 5 pairs of magnetic lashes and 1 eyelash applicator. So on the back it gives you like the instruction on how to use these lashes. So we're gonna try this out, see if it's actually better than using the glue. I mean, I've tried the glue, but it takes me like, all right, when I use the glue, one eye it goes on and then the other eye is a struggle. Let's open this bad boy. By the way, I ordered this from Amazon. To try it for my birthday, which is July 17th, this Friday coming. But I said I wanted to try it before the actual day because I don't want when the day comes it doesn't work out because I don't know what to do. So for my first try, I decided to do it on camera just in case you guys would like to try it as well. By the way, this is the package. See, woo, it's a beautiful package. All right, so it comes with 5 pairs. A couple of them are dramatic. I kind of like that. I kind of want to go out of my comfort zone, if you know what I mean. So this is a close-up of all 5 pairs. I'm not gonna lie, these lashes are beautiful. Oh, look. You could remove it and you could stick it back on. How cool is that? The package has the magnet on it as well. After you're done using it, you could always put it back on. How cool is that? For my first try, I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna try this one, the second one. These are the 2 eyeliners, and this is what you use to apply the lashes. And this is the eyeliner. I am not the best at putting on eyeliners either because I don't wear eyeliners. I do. What is this? Under here, I wear it under here but not up here. But all right, we're gonna try this. So it's a liquid eyeliner and you're supposed to apply it at the lash line where you're gonna apply the lashes. All right, let's do this. Let's see. Oh, we're already making mistakes. Already making a mess. But let's keep going. Let's keep going. I hope I caught that on camera because I could barely see just now. As you can see, I applied the liner on. Alright, so we're gonna make it dry a little before applying the lash. Let's see how easy this is, because like I said, it's supposed to be easy. These are some huge lashes. The last ones, they are pretty. I think it's somewhat dry now. How did I take it off earlier? Gosh, why am I so rough? It looks long. Hopefully I don't have to cut anything off. It is sticking. It is. Ooh. Whoa. Alright, maybe this is a little bit too easy, because it's just like sticking on. Wow. 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 Alright, not sure if this is on correct, but let's see. Why do I look so different with lashes? All right, so after seeing the size of the second one, I think I want to go a little bigger, a little more dramatic. So I'm gonna try the third row, the third lashes. Let's see how this one looks. Ooh, it is sticking on. Like when I say sticking on, it is on. Sorry guys, I just ran out of space on my camera, but as I was saying, a tip: don't let the eyeliner get on your lashes, because the lash itself will stick on your lashes instead of over the lash, if you know what I mean. So whoa, this was easier to put on. Whoa. That was so easy to put on. I don't know how I feel about this. Lashes are not for me. I just think lashes are not for me. It is a little too dramatic, but let's clamp it together. That was like super easy. Ooh, oh my goodness. I'm having fun with this, but I don't know if I like the look. It's really easy to put on, but I don't know if I like the look on me. Is it a little too dramatic? Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. That was super easy. Too easy. Oh my goodness, that was like so easy. All right, maybe I do like it. All right, let me put the other lashes on. All right, let's do the other lashes. I'm gonna do it one more time. So that wing thing is not for me, so I won't be doing that. Gonna let it dry. I think I like it. I like it. I like it. Come on, herb and dry, come, I'm just excited. Too easy. Too easy. Let's clump it together. Maybe because I'm not wearing the hairstyle for this, but like I said, it's just a test run to see how it's gonna look for my birthday, and I decided to do it on camera. I don't have the hairstyle as yet, but I really love this. I do love it. And that was so easy to put on. So if you guys are interested in these lashes, I'm gonna leave the link down below where I got these lashes. And also like I said earlier in the video, my birthday is the 17th of this month, 17th of July, Friday coming. And if you guys want to celebrate with me, your girl Kurly Krissy, I'm gonna leave my Cash App name down here and also in the description box if you want to celebrate with me and support your girl on her birthday. Also, I'm gonna have my PayPal account down in the description box if you guys want to celebrate with me, you know, make it a little fun, since there's not much to do this year because of the virus that's going around. You know, we have to stay safe and, you know, not be everywhere, so I won't be doing much. So if you guys want to celebrate with me, so support your girl. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also remember to hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe and like this video, make that thumbs up blue. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.